Unlocking balance. Daily secrets for a calm blood pressure. Greetings, seeker of inner peace and well being. Today, we embark on a transformative journey to unlock the secrets of balance, not just any balance, but the delicate equilibrium that governs our blood pressure. Join me as we explore daily practices and rituals that can help cultivate a sense of calm and promote optimal blood pressure levels. Have you ever experienced these moments of overwhelming stress or anxiety where it feels like weight of the world is bearing down on you? Well, my friends, those moments not only take a toll on our mental well-being but can also wreak havoc on our blood pressure. But fear not, for amidst the chaos of daily life, there exists hidden treasures, secrets that hold the key to unlocking balance and tranquility. Today, we embark on a quest to uncover those daily practices and rituals, each a precious gem in our journey towards a calm and steady blood pressure. So, what exactly are those secrets and how can we incorporate them into our daily lives? Let's find out. Picture it's the start of a new day, and instead of rushing heading into the chaos, you begin with moments of stillness, a simple breathing exercise, or a few moments of meditation to center yourself and set the tone for the day ahead. This, my friends, is the first secret to unlocking balance, the power of mindfulness. By cultivating a daily practice of mindfulness, we not only quiet the noise in our minds, but also signal to our bodies that it's okay to relax and let go of the tension. And as we do so, we begin to notice a subtle shift, a softening of the edges, a slowing of the breath, and with it, gentle lowering of our blood pressure. But mindfulness is just the beginning. Another secret to unlocking balance lies in the foods we choose to nourish our body. By opting for whole nutrient rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, we try not only to fuel our bodies but also support a healthy blood pressure level. And let's not forget the importance of staying active. Even a brisk walk or a gentle yoga session can work wonders for our cardiovascular health. By incorporating regular exercises into our daily routines, we not only strengthen our hearts but also promote circulation and keep our blood pressure in check. You can also put a cold towel and lie down on it face up with your spine on the towel. This cold towel also helps in immediately reduction of the blood pressure. Or soaking your legs up to the calves in warm water for about half an hour also does the trick. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of balance and cultivate a series of calm days full of inner stillness? Are you prepared to embrace daily practices that promote optimal blood pressure levels and enhance your overall well being? Together, we embark on a journey of self discovery and empowerment. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these daily secrets and unlock the keys to a healthier, happier life.